Hey there, fellow viewers! Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving deep into the world of introverts, debunking those stereotypes and uncovering the incredible skills they bring to the table. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Number 1. The power of thought-provoking conversations. You know, introverts often get a bad rap for being too quiet, but let me tell you, they are the kings and queens of thought-provoking conversations. Forget the small talk. Introverts want to dive straight into the meaningful stuff. They're like therapists in disguise, making you feel comfortable sharing your deepest thoughts and dreams. It's a win-win. You get a soulful chat and they get the satisfaction of a meaningful connection. Number 2. Introverts in sales? Absolutely. Now, you might be scratching your head at this one, but believe it or not, introverts make exceptional salespeople. Their attention to detail, preparation, and comfort in familiar situations set them up for success. So, next time you meet an introverted salesperson, know that they've got objections, crankiness, and touchy questions covered, and they're doing it with confidence. Number 3. Animal whisperers. Introverts are like Dr. Dolittle when it comes to animals. Need a dog sitter or someone to care for your cat? No problem. They enjoy the company of our furry friends, understanding their need for affection and quiet moments. Introverts can calm a troubled pet just as effectively as they calm their own minds. It's a beautiful bond that goes beyond words. Number 4. The observant introvert. Ever wonder why introverts are so quiet? It's because they're busy observing. While you're lost in small talk, they're absorbing every detail of their surroundings. They notice the subtle nuances, the unspoken stories, and the changes in the environment. So, the next time you need a keen eye for detail, turn to your introverted friend. They'll be the first to notice anything out of the ordinary. Number 5. Surprising leaders. Here's a shocker, introverts make fantastic leaders. Not all leaders need to be extroverted. Introverts bring a unique set of skills to the table. They're careful, attentive, and always prepared. Their leadership style is more about substance than flash, making them reliable and effective leaders. So, if your boss is a bit on the reserved side, don't mistake it for indifference. They might just be an introverted leader. Number 6. Introverts as workers. Just like in leadership, introverts shine as workers. They know when to step back, focus, and get the job done. Their attention to detail and dedication to perfection make them reliable team members. Give them a project, let them work alone, and watch the incredible results unfold. Introverts thrive when their solitude is undisturbed, ensuring top-notch quality in their work. Number 7. The ultimate listeners. Ever poured your heart out to a friend only to feel like they weren't really listening? Introverts are the complete opposite. They despise small talk and thrive on deep, meaningful conversations. When you need someone to listen, introverts are there with impeccable ears and thoughtful advice. They can sense your troubles and offer genuine support, making them the perfect confidants. Number 8. Introverts as counselors. Beyond just listening, introverts excel at helping you navigate through your worries. They have a knack for reading people, understanding their thoughts, and interpreting unspoken cues. If you're struggling, introverts can help pinpoint the root of the issue and offer practical solutions. Their empathy and deep relationships built on trust make them natural counselors in times of need. Number 9. Thinking before speaking. Introverts don't speak often, but when they do, every word is carefully chosen. They think before they speak, and that thoughtfulness brings depth to their words. So, if your introverted friend is speaking up, pay close attention. What they have to say is likely profound and worth hearing. Number 10. Self-knowledge. Quiet minds have the loudest thoughts, and introverts spend a lot of time in their own heads. They know themselves inside out, constantly evaluating their choices and strengths. While they may not shout it from the rooftops, introverts are silently confident, understanding who they are and what they want. Number 11. A well of wisdom. Introverts are naturally drawn to information, learning, and discovering new things. They may not be the adventurers climbing mountains, but they're the ones absorbing every NASA discovery. Armed with a wealth of knowledge, introverts share interesting facts and insights when the time is right, proving that wisdom often comes in quiet packages. Number 12. The loyalty of introverted friends. Last but certainly not least, introverted friends are as loyal as they come. Trustworthy and dependable, they won't betray your secrets or talk behind your back. Introverts value their friendships and work hard to maintain them, making them some of the best friends you'll ever have. So, whether you're an extrovert amazed by introverts' hidden talents or an introvert embracing your unique qualities, remember, there's a storm of skills behind that quiet demeanor. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious.